to Amobiatia. He knows how much I contributed to his election.
Yes, it was for Ghana TV GH. Make sure now like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that anytime you post videos, be saying, Usabe Kabi ama watching.
Boss, and now we see MPP former in Northern region.
Medical, internal MPP elections, and Now we share party for now. I did back when your own person who say party now person would dear name. Then now I a diama party now. Who saw your party leader, who saw your party flag bearer. What has been your contribution to your party? And so it is important that if you have contributed, you let the people, the party delegates, this is an internal election, you let the party delegates know what you have done for the party. I've done a lot of things for this party in terms of intellectual resource, in terms of physical activity, in terms of financial. And I make cancer anima with natural. About 2016 election, President Kufuor said I was the single largest contributor to the MPP coming to power. Menka said ada obiabwa bia contributor sacrifice my party, but I'm talking about what I have done. And because I'm standing an election and people are asking me questions, I have to let people know what I have done for this party. Dr. Bawumia, I supported him heavily, the campaign, heavily, Eastern region and across the country.
Heavily means what?
But I'm talking about heavily. I mean, he knows. And so AYɛKa to Amobiatia, he knows how much I contributed to his election. He has the facts, I have the facts. Inti MPP party ni die, ya soon, quite be brave. So we've served in diverse ways. Such as here. But I also made this contribution, and if I'm being asked, I have to let people know, the party people know what I've done. But the election at AYɛKa is not about money. It has to be on record. It's not about money. It's about what you can do for the party and what you can do if you are elected, how you can get us to win elections. But the question is your contribution to the party. Party now say, what has been your contribution? And that one will be our contribute to Biano. You should be able to say it without fear. And that question has to be answered. Sanya, microphone bisa mo hono mo. Me answer one na okoya we go to amount for AYɛKa. So that's what it is.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Bia bre ni pe bi ti he djuma ebi no mo aye no e bia na me nye mu fa nti eyi ni pa 500 e bia na ye mi din enye den emmem me gitum but e be ye mi din be ye me nwa say obi e wo ye party mu a watu asika esen me obi ani wo ye party mu a watu asika esen obi ani wo MPP. There's not a single person away on one kasani bottom sika. Ediabwa MPP fisa yeti MPP. Me can't get down kwanum buzi anum eyi yedima MPP. If it be time value of money. So say sika no de to ho na afibia munya nsi hu be si ena. Say sika na ye sen omo ntu sika me yi wo party. Nobody. 2016, I'm standing at bad bank. The Kufuor do bad bank 2017. Okay, or see Obi anywa o yi sika de boa on no campaign and na MPP de ba power. I see Bryan Acheampong. Obi any ho. Now yi sika no e de boa aboa party. I see me person me take obi pa ba ko dey. One. In 2020, the day our BEM and to be here, Messica. But in 2024, the regional chairman, our regional secretary, aha, good. Our Eastern region, Sika, you did support to Eastern region every month. Except for about 6 MPs, 6, because some of them are not omujina so that. Say we be one apart from that 6 MPs, PCC out of 33 every month, that means omumu be 100,000 Ghana cedis. The regional secretary, the regional chairman. Every month. May to November. Any the regional supporter May, June, July, August, September, October, May to October. In November, my regional chairman, my regional secretary, you will have many polling stations? 26,000. 26,000 polling stations. And the what is in region? No, 26,000 polling station executives. And the what is in region? 26,000. In November, Mima will be at 2 million cities. The chairman name is 26,000. In November, Mima will be at 2 million cities. So, I'm going to go to polling station.
Ba na menu adwani wo mo ebe wonu nso ne flight na ode ban se ebedile nti wonu bedu ya eso ready na so pan so atu njeso mu entimi anko. That was what happened. I met Eric
Shabre na nkrabe I mean how did man now
actually sometimes
ni na shabre na nkrabe ebi one negligence. Anyways, you report into the you can't rule out human error. Senior, how do you fly plane every 51 years? What plane 1974? What business has it got in there?
You see.
Oh, Charlie.
It will be a
64 19 commerce in Tiasame.
Even Nana Santehema, when you finish, I say 98. I walk to no kwa wo so na no man sha won de wi esisu ewo bi eya nemum babunu wo de eya atufuwo enya atoro nchemu wo eya papa but that kind of perception say play no ache and make us investigate and maybe one me banana
51 years
na abotre enyama bi wo ho no mo a me pese be have that conversation because e ka se causes here. It's like this MP Bona at taking part in the
we are preempting
2% say some penyumfoi including osoja ni no a wono na etwi plane no wono no akwaware ha ni nu kura woni wie no obeja na yere ho na aba betena ewiemhyan a wonim se ewiemhyan ni tu a emfa me nu kwa akowu obeba betenam no sometimes never one more we need to think deep. We need to think deep.
What we need
to think deep.
What we need to do is sometimes never be say eba but me media say ye nyina anya botre nyentwen the report no a ebeba